Jared here from Neilson Homes. We're here at Albert Collective for a quick construction update. As you can see, the scaffold's down and the homes are looking great. The architectural louvers really pop and give it that strong, distinctive feel. Let's go over and have a closer look. Excellent progress on site and on track for completion in August. Scaffold's down, exterior painting's almost complete. We're jib fixing inside, then we'll move on to the jib stopping and interior painting, and then through to the fit out. 5 of the 8 homes are sold, with 2 and 3 bedroom options available. Come book an appointment for the show home and come and see the design and quality for yourself.